I'm just going to put it in the ice bath to cool it as quick as possible.
Possibly everyone in the world can cook, but can they follow a world-class chef's instructions? You're so focused on one element, whereas there are 3 others going on, and you totally neglect them. I'm falling behind, and it seems like things aren't going right.
Guys, for me, the miso seems slightly confused. I think he's unsure whether he's doing things properly, even though he has the recipe there in front of him.
Yeah.
I just wish he would read the recipes properly.
Yeah.
Melissa seems to be very confident there. What I love seeing about her, though, is even though initially we saw a lot more confidence, she's still taking everything seriously, and she takes her time to read the recipe, and I think she's following it to the T. I think she's doing a good job so far.
Yeah.
Hila, Mel, NDUMISO, you have 30 minutes remaining of this challenge. Remember, your apron is up for grabs here.
Need to pay particular attention to the pressure points, guys. And I see in NDUMISO you started on your duck. Make sure that you render that fat properly. All right?
Yes, chef.
You can do this. Come on.
I did leave out the duck so that I could prepare it last. The duck needed my full attention. The key element now is getting the duck to actually cook properly.
Pila, think about your other stuff.
My heart is at Pila. I know he is such a perfectionist, but there's no time for that today. I'm worried about him.
Contestants, you have 20 minutes remaining. Remember to leave yourselves time to plate this. Beautiful plate that Reuben did. It's going to need some attention to detail if you want to replicate it. Give yourselves enough time to be able to do that.
I've just finished my chili. That means all my garnishes are done. So I just need to do my duck and finish cooking my sauce, and then I'm done.
What I still need to do is to just finish off my sauce and do my duck.
It was absolutely epic watching the pressure test. I literally almost jumped off the gallery. Even help, even if it was just to chop an onion or something.
I'm just a little pressed for time, but I'm feeling okay.
And this duck is, I think it's beautiful. So let's get it going.
In the miso. On the floor.
Oh.
My spring onion fell, and I kind of stood on it, so at least I've got some backup.
Contestants, you have 15 minutes remaining. You still have the luxury of looking at the hero plate and making sure you've got all the elements. Look at the colors and the textures of the food that you tasted earlier and make sure that you replicate that.
Pila, you've only got 15 minutes.
Yes.
Have you got a smaller pot? Is your sauce not going to reduce down in time, all of that?
15 minutes left. I still have to reduce my sauce. There's no way that the sauce will reduce in time, and that I need to try find a quicker way of reducing it. Then I transfer it a little bit of the sauce to the frying pan. Because it's flatter, it will definitely reduce quicker. And then in that moment, I still have to do my duck. I'm panicking in that moment, and I'm a bit frantic.
Getting that beetroot to that perfect circle is a challenge to me, because that gelatine thing just seemed to fail me.
Contestants, Pila, Mel, NDUMISO, you've got 10 minutes left. Remember we said make time to plate. Let's get a move on, guys. Nearly done.
They've said 10 minutes to plate, and you haven't got your duck on, so yeah, it was tough watching, to be honest.
My duck is cooking. and I've just put it on, so I'm a bit nervous.
Got to get my segments done, and I've got a plate. I've got my duck in the oven. I've got a plan, and it seems to be working.
Peeler,
Yes, chef.
10 minutes to go. What do you still need to do
What
now?
I still need to do is just deep fry my chili, and then I'm just finishing off my duck, and then I'm plating.
And I see you griddling the duck breast.
Yes, chef.
Okay.
I decided to refer back to the recipe. Actually, I'm supposed to pan fry the duck and not griddle it.
I'm reducing my sauce and finishing off my duck, and then I need to plate. So I'm a little bit worried, but we'll see what happens.
Add some more of that filler. Okay. Strain some of that through there as well.
Okay.
And then put it back on it and reduce it to
a
the
bit more.
consistency that you saw.
Yes, chef.
I add my sauce, okay?
Yes, chef. I say a small prayer. I had to find the last bit of strength to do the best that I can with the little time that I have.
Guys, you have less than 5 minutes to go. Time is running out. I'm not seeing any plates on your workstations yet. Remember, you need to give yourself enough time to put the food on the plate. Otherwise, it's just going to look like you're throwing it on there. Give yourself enough time for that. You need to be finishing up now.
I need to kind of see how many beetroots are on the plate, how many chilies are on the plate, and how many little puree bubbles are on the plate. I didn't want to miss any elements.
I haven't piped the puree. I have nothing on the plate. I still have to finish off the sauce, like add butter to it. The duck is not cooking fast enough.
Peeler is stressed. I couldn't even look.
Five minutes to the end of the challenge, I'll take my duck off. I start slicing it. It's too pink. I got on my duck a little bit late. Thought I had more time and I didn't.
We needed to give ourselves 10 minutes to plate, and I've got 5. I cut my duck, and it looks perfect. There's no turning back, really, because I have to plate.
Contestants, you have 2 minutes remaining. You really should be finishing off these plates now, checking that you have every element.
I see my duck is a bit pink. It's not medium rare, it's a little bit rare, but it's okay.
60 seconds, guys. Your time is now running out. You need to be finishing it up. Finish up your plate, guys. Final touches.
Peeler, just put it on the plate.
Pilar, you need to finish up there.
Yes, chef.
Come on, man. Keep on going. You need to finish it up. We need all the elements on the plate.
Come on, guys. Come on.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop cooking, guys. Stop cooking. Well done.